Hi everyone, I'm back again with my video blogs, but this time a different style. Today I'm gonna show you, especially for the people who are living in Korea, that what are the top 10 English apps. Okay, it's kind of really hard if you don't understand Hangul and if you land in Korea and you don't have any knowledge how to survive here. So just to solve this problem, I made this video blog. All of these apps, I have been using them. They're quite good and I hope you guys love them. Okay, so the top 10 English apps which you're gonna use in Korea to survive and to eat and to live. Okay, let's begin our journey. First one is the Google Maps because without that you cannot survive. Here guys, I want to clarify, I'm not going to talk about town maps. I'm not going to talk about Naver here because my video blog is about English apps which we're going to use. So let's begin the chapter. First of all, you're going to go to Google Play Store and here you have different apps already available. You're going to search them like Google Maps. Okay. So you're going to use Google Maps, and the idea of Google Maps is that obviously your navigation will be on. It will guide you very easily where you want to go, and it's freely available. And since in Korea, internet is free Wi-Fi is available, so it's not going to be very hard. Also, it guides you from your location where you want to go, the distance, the mileage by bus, and since bus or the transportation is very advanced in Korea, so I don't think so that you're going to be having a big problem. Similarly, if you want to eat somewhere, obviously you already know where to go, Google Maps. So I hope that you will start using this app immediately. Now, let's go to our second app, which is Google Translator. Without this app, guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be very hard if you don't have already an arrangement, already a Korean buddy, already a Korean friend out there to guide you. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard. Since we are talking about survival stories here, so go back to Google Translate. Here I Google Translate, and since I'm using right now my laptop, so you have to use it on your phone, no problem. So you simply downloaded Google Translate, which is a free app, and if you don't know, you want to have a coffee and you want to go to the coffee shop, so don't worry, you have your app here, no worries. What are you gonna say? You're gonna type here is the coffee shop, and you're gonna change the language from here, and you're gonna type in Korean. There you are. 어디에 커피숍에 있어요? 어로입니다. So it's gonna be very easy, and even if you don't know a word, where's the bus station, whatever you wanna say, use Google Translate. It must be in your smartphones, guys. Otherwise, sorry, you cannot survive in Korea. Okay. Now we're done with the language situation, the language barrier, already gone. Map issue, already gone. You have Google Maps, don't worry. But now, how are you going to use this advanced system of transportation in Korea? Yeah, this is the question which most of the people ask from me, so don't worry, I'm going to answer. Okay. You have, if you're an expat or a foreigner which is living in Korea, obviously, you have to use these important apps. First of all, I'll talk about Metroid HD app and the Subway Korea Soul. These are very good apps which I've used since I'm residing in Gwangju, so I haven't, for me it's going to be very problematic. So Metroid HD and Subway Korea, Chiachol if you're using bus, I must say these are the killer apps. Chiachol and Seoul Bus, and sixth one is a Subway Navigation. One by one I'll explain. All these apps are free, no problem at all. What are you going to do? Simply go to Google Translator, the Google App Store, Google Play Store, and here you're going to write one by one which app you want. So since I've used all of them, let's begin with Metroid HD. Metroid HD is quite good, and it's going to definitely take you to your guide you as well. Metroid HD. It's quite good. Here it is, Metroid HD. Yeah. Now, why am I putting so much emphasis on Metroid HD? Obviously, you can see from the App Store the reviews are 4.3. Downloads are good. The idea is, check this out. English, biggest issue solved. You get the in-station info, you get the arrival info. In Chiachol and Subway Bus, you have info about the station in Korea. Since we are talking about the people who don't understand or know what's Korean, so for them it's going to be really, really problematic. Metroid has all the info, great maps, great colors. You can find this up easy to use it, know your station, departure time, arrival time, timetable, everything is available. Don't need to worry. Not only that, but Metroid HD also has the path available, like from where you start, what's the total distance, how much amount of fare you need in the local currency. That's pretty cool. So it's quite a good app. Use it. Go where you want to go. You can have it. Calendar is available. No big problem. So this was Subway Korea Metroid. Now we go back to Subway Korea. Very, very cool app. And I must suggest that all of you should have it. Well, why is that so? Check it out. Yes, obviously, some people will say this is the app, it's not in English. Yeah, you can change the language, don't worry about it. From your destination to the place you want to go, timetable, which buses, which subway you want to take, everything is written, how much time it will take, calendar, which bus is coming at which time, complete info, complete timing, even the availability and money. You can have, like, even if you want to go to the famous places, I think it has discount. I haven't checked it correctly. Okay. Now once we're talking about the subway, I cannot neglect the famous one, Subway Navigation app, which is basically a part of Kakao Corp. Kakao is basically a corporation which has already made a very famous talk messenger Kakao in Korea. Oh, finally, English. Okay, you have the maps available, no problem. It's exactly the same which I've used in Seoul, so no problem at all. See, even you can set the time of arrival. So very, very cool. Week-wise, day-wise, you have calendar, you can view the map, you can know the direct duration, direct path, everything available. Very cool map. Very cool app. Okay. Now we're done with Survey Korea, we're done with the things, but we haven't discussed a very famous bus app. If you're not interested in using the subway, then don't worry, we have the solution. We're going to discuss about two famous apps here. First one is Chihaachol. Now Chihaachol is not only in Korea, but you can change the language from Hangul to English. That's the best part, and it's the coolest app ever. You will understand which buses come. You can do comparison as well. Yeah, it's very, very good. Time, alarm, timetable, navigation, map, everything is just in this pretty app, which is Chihaachol. Okay, so similar to that, we cannot forget about Solbus. Solbus is also available here. I'm going to show you all these apps are free. Solbus. Here it is. Yeah, Solbus is one of the favorites, and whenever you want to go in Seoul, have this app, all your problems will be solved. Phrases, you can change the language. I think, but the best part about Chiachol is that it has language feasibility with you. You can change the language. And the best part about Seoul Bus is that it has all the information about the bus and bus stop, and they update it. It's live information, updated information, real bus time information. That's very, very cool. So you can see in this app, location, bus timing, when it is reaching, what's the next time, where it is now, so you know where to go. Very, very cool app, Seoul Bus. Now that we have discussed the transportation, Now, we are going to talk about the important stuff. What are the nice places? Where should I go? Where are the next challenges for me? I want to visit any historical places. I'm going to advise you, you should use Visit Korea. You must have it in your app, in your mobile phone. Why Visit Korea? Because Visit Korea is basically made by the Korean Tourism Organization and it's in English. Our problems are solved. We don't want anything else. Okay, there I am. Where is, I'm going to shorten it. Yeah, here it is. The next part about the Korea Visit Korea app is that it has all the travel information, where you want to go with the attractions, and also includes travel information, shopping as well. Like it has categorically set up if you like historical places, go for them. If you want to go for bays or if you like to travel to, you know, clubs and stuff, it has got all the information. If you want to check out the rate of the hotels, then it's also going to be very, very good app for you. Also plan your tour. You can also have apps which are in English. A lot of problems are solved just by this cute app. So that was Visit Korea, and I really, really appreciate this app. Next one is TripAdvisor. Okay, this app, awesome, really amazing, and you must have it. Why I'm talking about TripAdvisor? Because previously people have been talking, where you wanna go, where you wanna go. If you want to have a correct information and easy to use comparison, you don't have money, you want to make a call, then you can call, you can email them, you can do whatever you want to do. Plus they show exact prices and they're very true, they're not wrong. Plus you know about the activities which are going on, shopping areas, quite similar to Visit Korea, so it's quite a good app. Plus you again have apps, no issues, restaurant information, a lot more going on. Weather, calendars, everything available. Now, everybody knows about the TripAdvisor. I don't think so I have to discuss it, but it's in my top list. I have to. Now, let's talk about how to communicate. Well, you do have Facebook Messenger, you do have Live Messenger, and you do have Viber, you name it. But once you're Korea, I think KakaoTalk is the best. KakaoTalk Messenger have the best part about Kakao is that you can make free call, video call, you can send stickers, you can do private chatting. Let me introduce you to KakaoTalk if you don't know about this app. And the best part is that you can make your account even by using your email ID. So even if you don't have a phone number or you're basically don't have, you're not interested, you're in Korea for 3 or 4 months and you don't want to buy a SIM card, you just have this free app. You can use your email address and you can activate this app. It's very cool. I've been using it for a very long time. Plus the privacy is very, very good. Way better, way better. And the call quality is good as well. So see how you can communicate in English here? Yeah, it's cool. Video call, awesome. You can send stickers and you can also make your own profile and you can have secret chat availability. What else do you want? Plus, you can send pictures in a very fast way because it works and it's quite compatible with iOS interface, with Android phones. It's quite awesome. But what happens to international calls? Like if since we have to call our parents or our families back, what are the apps that we must have? Nimbus. Okay, my favorite app that I've been using for a very long time to get in touch with my parents. Nimbus is my top app. Those who don't know about Nimbus, this is new for them. I want to tell it's an amazing thing. And Nimbus works really, really well because calling from Korea to your home, it's going to be really, really costly. I'm also going to talk about what sort of cards, calling cards, which are available in Korea. If somehow you don't have apps and you have to call urgently, there are many calling cards as well, but I'm going to talk about them in the next video. Stay tuned for it. Okay, so you have chat room in English. You can call, video call, message. You can call whatever you want. And the best part is you can make calls to mobiles as well as landlines to both local calls, and the international calls are free. In KakaoTalk, you can make local calls easily, very good, but Nimbus does it all. So for those, plus it's compatible with BlackBerry, iPhone, Java, Windows, and Mac, very good iOS interface too, so don't worry. So guys, that was my last but not the least English app to survive in Korea, and that's how I end my video blog for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I tried my level best to give you the information which is going to be really, really helpful to survive in Korea. Have a great time here. Bye bye.